How to view battery information and battery capacity on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on battery. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on battery information. In here, you'll be able to view battery information such as battery status, battery level, and battery capacity. Now, as I said here, the typical capacity has been tested under third-party laboratory conditions. The typical capacity is the estimated average capacity concerning the deviation in battery capacity among the battery samples tested under the IEC 61960 standard. And so on, you can read for the rest of it. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.